Greeting, Korbanth fans. This is the new NeoPixel installed Crimson Sister. Now, this set of instructions applies to both the silver ringed and the black ring because they both are installed the same. They just are a little different look. So when you first get it, by the way, this is the chassis B. We had the chassis Model A is made by Goth, and this one is chassis B, which is not. So it's a little different. So when you first get it, this black section here, which is on the outer section, or not the inner section, just use a Phillips head screwdriver to pull this out. Don't lose the screws. That would not be fun. Okay, so when you open it up, there will be no battery in there. The battery will be in this little segment here. So when you first get this, open this up, make sure the plus side of the battery goes on the plus side. So this plugs in right here. Then you can put this back on. I'm just going to do up one side because nobody wants to see me take a long time to do this. So now that I've plugged it in, you have a button here and a button there. You know what? I am just going to put this other screw in. That way it doesn't flop around. There we go. Now, just an FYI, if you take off this other side, that is where it shows the two proffie boards and the SD cards. Now, 97% of all the people out there are never going to have to open up this side. If you are someone who's going to customize it, that's where you get access to the proffie. So you have a button here, 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 and here. So the first thing we're going to do is do this. Obviously, this button is where it's going to light it up and then turn it off. So the other side is the fonts.
Ray Skywalker. I am Bastila Sean. That lights it. Hello, Master.
So the other side does the same thing. Lights it up. Now, but the only side that glows is this side. The other side does not glow. So, fonts,
Ray Skywalker.
and then, so what you do is, then you can put in your blade, and right here is your blade retention screw. So you can twist that down.
I am Bastila Sean. That lightsaber was Luke's.
You can also open up this section here if you want to open it up.
Hello, Master.
If you will not turn aside, at last we will have our revenge.
So if you don't have a blade in the other side, you can turn it on and it'll glow. This is the blade plug that'll glow. You can also put another blade in there so you can have two blades. So it's a pretty simple operation. Just remember, you open up this outer section and the battery will be out when you get it. So put the battery in, make sure you put it in the correct direction. And there's 4 buttons that turn it on and off, and I think that pretty much is self-explanatory. You do get a set of instructions and the Allen key that is needed to tighten the blades. Hope that works out good for you. If you have any questions, please let us know. Take care.